Okay.
Okay, kaya na akong discuss ang pancreas. Here we have the head of the pancreas, yung neck, yung body, dahil yung tip, kaya ang tail. So, ang arteries here, we have the splenic artery. Here we have the splenic vein. This, sa left side na to, kay we have the inferior mesenteric vein. Here sa right, kay we have the superior mesenteric vein. Dayon,
So what is this, guys? What is that?
ako din siya na splenic vein. Dayon, in between ana, kay we have the superior mesenteric artery. Okay.
Inferior, what? Inferior mesenteric artery?
Superior.
Superior.
Superior mesenteric artery. So, after sa pancreas, continue na tayo sa small intestine. So, ang first part sa small intestine kay ang duodenum. Ang duodenum na siya 4 parts. Here, kay going backward is the first part. Going downward is the second part. Going to the other side kay atong third part. Then, going forward kay ato ang fourth part. Tendinous intersection. Here kay atong jejunum, superior portion. Then, inferior kay atong ileum. So, connected ana after kay ang atong large intestine. So, mo-connect ang ileum sa cecum. Cecum kay naadiri na part. Dayon, naadiri atong ileocecal valve. No? Hindi na? Ileocecal valve. Here sa luyo, sa atong appendix. Appendix under inline cecum. So, here we have the ascending colon. Pagliko niya into transverse colon, kaya this is now what we call the right colic flexure or the hepatic flexure. After the transverse colon, naana diri atong splenic flexure. Then to the descending colon. Okay na? Okay na lang. Wala ba kayo
Wala may artery sa babaw?
Wala na.